Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to HHS online Islamiat class. In today's session, we will continue with the lesson Sawm and will cover its last topic. In the previous weeks, you learned about the concept of Sawm and how as Muslims we should observe fast in month of Ramadan. You also studied about the people on whom it's fasting compulsory and who are the people exempted from fasting. The people on whom the fasting is compulsory are people who are in good health, sane people, and adults. And the people who are exempted from fasting includes children under the age of 12, travelers, old and sick people, mothers who feed their babies. But as in Surah Baqarah, Allah Ta'ala said, so every one of you who is present at home during Ramzan should spend it in fasting. But if anyone is ill or on journey, the prescribed period should be made up by days later. I hope that you all remember the previous topics very well because you have also done question and answers related to the topic. And all of you have done a wonderful job. Students, do you know what iftar is? It is the time at Maghrib when we break our fast. But if we break our fast with anything inappropriate during the roza, for example, if we do vomit or we take any kind of injections or intentionally if we drink water, that will break our fast. And these things are called muftir. We all know while fasting, if we eat or drink intentionally, that will break the fast. However, if we do it forgetfully, the fast would remain. Here is a small list of things which does not break our fast. Rinsing our mouth, using miswak, sniffing water into nostrils, using perfume, or swallowing one's own saliva. On the other hand, intentional vomiting, taking any kind of injections, and drinking water while hiding will definitely break our fast. There are a lot of things that if we can do, can make our fast easier. So here is a quick guide for fasting. Take a light meal in Sehri that will keep your stomach from getting upset. Break fast, preferably by having dates, Zamzam water or simple water, and by reciting this dua. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma inni laka sumtu wa bika amantu wa alayka tawakkaltu wa ala rizqika aftartu. Oh Allah, I fasted for you and I believe in you and I put my trust in you and I break my fast with your sustenance. Allah Ta'ala gave us a beautiful gift of Taraweeh, especially for the month of Ramzan. So we should offer it regularly in the month of Ramzan. It is very important to keep ourselves physically and virtually clean. Physical means that we should do 5 times wuzu, we should take showers regularly, wear good clothes, clean clothes. Ritually means that we should keep ourselves clean from inside by not thinking of any bad things, by not doing any bad deed to others, and keep our mind clean. During Ramzan, we have a lot of time throughout the day to pray. Yet, a lot of children spend it by engaging themselves in physical activity Instead, spend that valuable time in praying and asking for the forgiveness of Allah. Above all these things, we should keep it in our minds that fasting does not lose its value by only taking food and drinking water, but also by telling lies and acting shamefully and evil deeds. We should also remember that fasting is only done for Allah's blessing and pleasure. So we should celebrate this month with great respect. Keep these things in mind. We can fast very greatly and nicely. We should be thankful for Allah for everything. Over here, you can see some things on the slide that can be done and that cannot be done during the month of Ramadan. Last but not least, here's the assignment which is very, very important. It will be in your Google Classroom. You can see the assignment over there. These are 3 questions that you need to do in your classroom. Very, very easy questions. You can find their answers in the PowerPoint, and please avoid any copying and pasting from the internet. I would really appreciate if you do it in your own words. Thank you very much for your time. Allah Hafiz.